In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your header and footer in WordPress block themes. If you've ever wanted to give your site a fresh look without spending hours tinkering behind the scenes, this is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to swap out those key areas and give your WordPress site a professional touch, fast and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening up WordPress. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your dashboard so you have access to all your editing tools. If you haven't logged in yet, just head to your site's login page. Enter your credentials and you'll land right inside the dashboard ready to go. Next, head over to the page where you want to update your header or footer. If you're not sure where to find it, look on the left panel for pages and select the one you'd like to work on. It's always a good idea to double-check you're editing the correct page, especially for sites with a lot of content. Just click the page name and you'll enter the WordPress editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice it's built around blocks. This is where the magic happens. To begin updating your header or footer, click Insert Block. Think of blocks as building pieces like digital Lego bricks. Every part of your page, from headings to galleries, is made up of these blocks. And swapping them out is what makes block themes so flexible. Now here's where things get really efficient. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the block settings sidebar. This is more than just a list of options. It's a place where WordPress stores pre-designed layouts, called patterns, instead of manually redesigning your header or footer from scratch. You can browse through these patterns and instantly apply the look you want. Patterns are like templates designed by professionals. Imagine you're redecorating a room. You could paint everything yourself and spend all week arranging the furniture. Or you could choose a pre-made look from a catalog and have it set up in an afternoon. With patterns, a new layout for your header or footer is just a couple of clicks away. To swap a pattern, click on the block you want to change, such as your header or your footer. In the sidebar, browse the available patterns. Take a moment here and scroll through. You'll notice different styles, arrangements, and features. When you see one you like, select it. And WordPress will automatically replace your current header or footer with the new design. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can always try another pattern or tweak the details further, like editing text, images, or colors within the new block. This flexibility is one of the best parts about block themes. It allows you to experiment without fear of messing something up. If the swap seems slow or you're not seeing changes immediately, just give it a few moments. Sometimes WordPress needs a little time to process updates, especially if your site has a lot of content or custom plugins running. And if you ever make a mistake, there's always the undo button in the top left, so you're safe to play around. Once you're happy with your new header or footer, go ahead and click Save or Update at the top right. Your site will instantly reflect your changes, letting visitors see your fresh new look. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your header and footer using block themes and patterns in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like so others can find it too. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you have tips of your own to share. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and easy website tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your site.